This module is about how to build a collaborative agenda as an exercise. So it's an exercise briefing. Purpose of the exercise is to get you trained in how to actually build a good collaborative agenda that is well suited for the use of think tank. So the purpose is for you to get experience with the tools and techniques of how to build a great agenda and to develop your own skills in structured collaboration planning. You need to do three things. You need, first of all, to complete the 3 steps. First, you need to choose an exercise. You need to define an objective and strategy for that exercise. You need to develop the agenda or vertical horizontal logic, and you need to make a script for the session. Once you've done that, you submit your documents to the instructor for review, and you will then get personalized feedback that can potentially help you improve the agenda before you actually start building a think tank session based on your agenda. The 3 steps you need to complete are these. First, select the session, then define the purpose, deliverables, and resources. And here's an example of how to do that. We recommend that the session you choose is a session that is coming up within the next 3 to 4 weeks, which you potentially also can use for your certification projects. If you choose something that you are responsible for executing within the next 3 to 4 weeks, the advantage is that during the training here, you will actually build an agenda, build a session, and test your session as the exercise. And if that is then your certification project, once the training is over, then you can turn around that and execute it in practice and then hand in the documents that you already created in order to get certified. But it is totally up to you which session you would like to use for the exercise. These are the things you need to define as outlined here. Step number 1. Now, step number 2 would be to sketch out the agenda, which can produce the desired output. You need to consider the horizontal and the vertical logic, and here you see an example of a session where the agenda logic has been sketched out to deliver on the work product defined. Step number 3 is that you take your agenda, horizontal, vertical logic, and detail it in a script format, just like this one. You have already got the templates, and here you see an example of how to specify the details in the script. So these are the 3 steps you need to complete for your session. Once you're done, then you forward them to the instructor. Then as step number 2, you will receive and review comments from the instructor, and you can update your session agenda as needed. And then once you've done that, then you're ready for the next instructional video, which is called Designing a Think Tank Session. Good luck with the exercise.